Thank you, Bruno. So first of all, thank you very much for being our client, our partner, or I know also future customers are here, and I hope you will find ideas. Dassault Systèmes is not only about getting new footprint in the world, it's about making the world a better place. In the last 18 months, 20,000 new companies joined the club. 20,000 new companies joined the club in the last 18 months. Small or large. And we feel that responsibility and we take it very seriously. In the last 18 months, we also have tried to redefine the way we should work with great consultants of the industry, great analysts of these industries, because we cannot do everything alone. They have to translate, to explain, to formulate, to interact with you, with us, so together we can find a way going forward. And I think that with the industry approach that Monica Minghini is going to talk about in a moment, I think we have created here a new focus to really address each of the industries we serve and that we have been serving for many of them for the last 30 years in a different way, providing not only piece of software, but creating really industry solutions that speak your language, are useful to you, are relevant from a business standpoint, and more importantly, create this dynamic whereby the users of our system becomes your transformation catalyst inside the company when you adopt our solutions. It's too hard to transform companies from the top. We have also to reveal talents, the people who are doing the real work, and make sure that they can show and contribute to show the way forward. This is about the great objective of not only industry solution experience, but also the user experience. 20,000 new customers in America, a new team. So not only we are a global company, but we want to be, with the size that we have now, a local company with a global reach. A local company in every geographies and countries where we are in, serving customers, on leveraging this transformation that you have in mind, this dream, your own dream, and make it a reality. So that's the mission of this great team here and what Bruno has been formulating in the last 12 months, almost, because Bruno moves here last December 2012, and to really reveal the talents and really make sure that everyone would understand that the leadership is about serving the industries, the clients, where they are, and for the goals they have. So thank you for that. 2 years ago, 18 months, 24 months ago, we asked ourselves where we should be in 2021. Why 2021? Because at that time it was the new situation for the company. Every 10 years, I try for the last 30 years, every 10 years, to formulate and try to dream about where we want to be and why we want to be there and what do we stand for. This is not about doing more of the same thing. This is about looking at the world in a different way, with a different perspective. Looking at it from the future, and looking at the current reality, and saying, how can we change? How can we change that perspective, and what should we do to make it happen? This process that started in March 2011 was a very intensive process. I almost resigned from the company, my company, Dassault Systèmes. I told the board, I need 6 months of time to really think about where I want to drive the company forward for the next 10 years, taking into account that we already serve over 170,000 companies in the world with millions of users, creating and having the real feeling about what this responsibility is about. Our responsibility is not about the fact that you buy the next piece of software. This is the result of something else. It's the result of the fact that you do believe that we have something for you that will change your business, improve it, make it different, not more of the same thing, something different. Why so? Because on this intensive effort for the last 6 months, for the months of 2011, I did it with a very small team, and we thought about where the world is going. What have we done? What is our legacy? Yes, we haven't flattened the world, moving drawings to be now accessible to any generation, making 3D a wonderful media, not only to do detailed design and manufacturing processes, but also to formulate dreams, sketches. Show me your dream. Yes, as Bruno said, with Alan Mullally and others, we have created a virtual world whereby physical prototyping would not be necessary, and we could do things right first time with the digital mock-up. Yes, we did together created an environment where we said, well, can we see the movie of that with product lifecycle management, so we know all the stages from sketch to what we deliver. What's next? Where is the next horizon? And we came to the conclusion, which can be expressed in a very simple word. We said, well, welcome to the world of experience. And of course, in our world, 3D experience is it. And it is this horizon and this dream that we are making happening as we speak. And you will see in this program today astonishing real case illustration with our friends from shop here who are going to speak, our friends from Tesla. And there are, I'm unfair already because there are many other showcases we are doing around the world already, using this platform that we have called the 3D Experience Platform to approach and drive the business differently. That's what we've been doing. It's a bet. It's not more of the same thing. It's the next horizon. Through that discovery and that formulation of what Lynn described very well, that we call the equity system of our company. What do we stand for? What is our purpose? We really formulated it extremely quickly and very precisely. We said, well, we want to harmonize product, nature, and life, and we want to create that platform that will enable people to use the virtual world to formulate their dream and make it happen. But not by extrapolating the way the business has been done in the past, by being a game changer as we have been for the world industry 3 times already in the last 30 years. And this is the experience. As Einstein said, the ultimate of knowledge is experience. The ultimate of knowledge is experience. Welcome to the world of the experience economy. We ask ourselves why the Nespresso capsule really create an environment where you pay the coffee 100 times what you would pay would you buy the coffee directly as a prime commodity. And it's because of the experience. This is what people are looking for. And I think it's a way to create a better world, because harmonizing product nature and life will have impact on so many domains. Materials reuse, recycling, sustainable innovation, smart mobilities, new cities, a new social environment. And you can ask yourself now, with that context, why we created this compass. Everything is there. I love symbols. And this is really a symbol that best represents what we are doing. Connecting the diversity of people, being able to share what they have in mind. On the west side, on medium, the 3D medium is so powerful for that. Trying, simulating, creating what-if scenario with virtual plus real world, so you connect the virtual world and the real world, and you try things, on making sure that this beautiful asset that we all share on a global basis, called the information on internet, can be useful, used by everyone to feed the innovation process and create a better tomorrow. We call it information intelligence, whether it's inside or outside. And then, of course, at the middle, you click and you see the experience, the to-be experience, because the value of the experience goes far beyond the value of the product. The to-be experience on the as-is, on how you drive your teams to make this happen. That's what we are doing. It's now becoming a reality. We have started with very, very difficult choices. One of them was to say that we will drive the future of everything we do from the architecture that complies with internet, that complies with the cloud, and we will bring the cloud inside the company. Unlike many companies providing enterprise software, we made the bet that bringing the cloud inside, on-premise, is the way to go. And that's why V6 is not anymore a platform, it's an architecture. And that's why the platform is not anymore Innovia, it's the 3D experience platform. And that's why every of our brands that we have today, the 10 brands we have, are becoming collection of applications working online from a single business experience platform called the 3D experience platform. I would like to conclude by showing you a video that shows how we are connecting those dots. And I hope this video will communicate to you where we are coming from, where we are going, because during all the presentations that will be following, including Monica's presentation on the transportation and mobility showcase with online demo that are really here, on many great customer showcase we have been doing since last July on the cloud, I hope you will yourself connect the dots about where we are going. And we are going there not for us, but for you. So please run the video.
Companies who strive for a competitive advantage can no longer just deliver products. Today's customers and consumers are savvy and want more than product alone. They demand experiences which are more personalized and more rewarding. But how can you know where to begin or which experiences to create? Even if you have access already to a lot of information from inside and outside your company, how can you visually connect all the dots to see the full business picture? Business success depends on asking the right questions, finding powerful answers, and taking informed decisions quickly. To help business leaders understand the present, navigate the future, and create compelling customer and consumer experiences, we introduce the 3D Experience Platform, available on-premise, in public or private cloud. Today, the navigational user experience of the 3D Experience Platform is enhanced with the new If We Compass interface. Business leaders can now connect people, data, solutions, and ideas from within and outside the enterprise in a single visual and intuitive environment, creating a comprehensive business picture. And it all starts here. The If We Compass provides intuitive navigational access to all Dassault Systèmes apps, including social and collaborative apps, 3D modeling apps, content and simulation apps, and information intelligence apps. The If We Compass offers functionality directly out of the box. From the social and collaborative apps quadrant, you have the ability to create online, internal, and external social communities. Through these communities, you can connect people from your business ecosystem, marketing, sales, designers, or external agencies and suppliers. Also, you can dramatically increase collaboration with 3D Space for cloud storage and sharing of any content. From the 3D Modeling Apps quadrant, 3D models can now be seen and shared by everyone in your organization, offering a stunning interactive model viewer to present ideas from the shop floor to the boardroom. And there's more. From the Information Intelligence quadrant, you have out-of-the-box capability to create dashboards. With one click, choose the widgets you want from our library and build your personal or business dashboard. You can even drill down to analyze specific data sets so you can make faster and more informed decisions. You can also search for information or media content from private networks, file systems, or the internet. And finally, with its unique tagging system, you can intuitively segment information and content, discover new data, ask the right questions, and take rapid action. The If We Compass makes sure you have the full picture all day and every day. With the 3D Experience Platform and its If We Compass, business leaders worldwide now have the opportunity to discover an innovative way to connect the dots in their company. And we believe that Compass the Business may one day become a new phrase to define business excellence.
That your dream can become true, I think yes, and what you're going to see as illustration in the next sessions, I believe will show you.
Thank you, Bruno.